We are Mara and Nuria, and we are going to read The Little Dragon by Heather Amery. This is Greystone Castle. This is King Leo and Queen Rose. They have 2 children, called Prince Max and Princess Alice. Max and Alice are playing outside. Max is a knight and Alice is a dragon. Let's go and find a real dragon, says Max. They go out of the castle gate. We are going to find a dragon, says Alice. There aren't any dragon, says the guard. They walk across the bridge. Then Max and Alice walk along the road up a hill. Will we find a real dragon? Says Alice. There's a cave, says Max. Dragons live in caves. I hope we find a dragon in it. I wish King Dad was here, says Alice. They look into the cave. Come out, dragon, shouts Max. He waves his sword. There's nothing there, says Alice. Look at that, says Max. A puff of smoke and flames come out of the cave. Let's go home now, says Alice. What do you want? A dragon walks out. I was asleep. You woke me up, he says. He yawns and shows his teeth. You don't scare me. I am a princess, says Alice. You are only a small dragon, so don't be so cross and grumpy. Sorry, says the dragon. He bows his head. I'm so hungry. Every time I ask anyone for food, they run away, he says. Come with us, says Max. They walk down the hill. The dragon runs after them. Wait for me, he shouts. Max and Alice go back to the castle. The king comes out. What's that? He says. Olgas, a servant, hides behind the door. It's a very hungry dragon. Brings a very large dragon breakfast, please, says the king to Olgas. Here comes your food, says Max. Olgas brings a huge plate of food. He puts it on the ground. Thank you, says the dragon.
Can we keep it? We can keep it, please,
says Alice. Yes, says the king. He can have 3
3
meals a day and light the castle fire for us. Thank you.
Bye. Bye, bye, everyone.
We hope you enjoy it.